1 plus 1 equals job done. So basically this good quality Sony headband, which is plastic, I don't blame Sony quality, the speakers and the overall quality, the cable, the pads, whatever, everything is really good, but let's understand also that plastic, alright, is not aluminum, and even aluminum at bikes have memory fatigue or whatever it's called, material fatigue, and can give up. Basically, one of them just broke suddenly, no problem. I try right now to make some holes with a drilling machine so that even with some channels, with some with some deeper scratches, let's say like this, using whatever strong adhesive, it will hold on in my opinion, because the fit of the crack is perfect. All right, it will place I don't know if you can see, but maybe I will make it just a little visible, just a bit for the camera, like this. Oh, not like this, it's not. So this is a perfect fitting, as you can see here. All right, and even more so if I drill multiple holes and of course the glue enter there, it will somehow make a solid bridge. No problem for looks. Maybe I will use these headphones in the home, even though I don't care that much also to be seen to this thing. On interior, of course, both sides will be drilled. Maybe this one also, to unscrew these two tiny screws there so that the adhesive grips really good. Pouring there a lot of adhesive, no problem with the mechanism. Of course, this is a latch, let's say like this or whatever, so it's rotating. If it won't rotate, it's not a problem because I don't fold them. As you can see here, I just don't care about this folding system if it will lock. But as I observed right now, just right now, you can already see here the crack or the future crack. You can see there a tiny small line on this angle. It is the best to be seen, even though it's really small. Oh, here is just a bit more visible. You see that right there, here. I'm really thinking to just drill multiple holes on the same exact pattern after I do the other one, and yeah, it will be just a two-sided, one broken by natural causes and the other one broken by me with the intention to make the system either stronger, either to break it for good. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I will also buy another of this headset because I really enjoy the comfort or why not to upgrade to see what's new on the market, because of course Japanese on any sound system compared to Europeans, Americans, whatever, gave another perspective. So they are really good on sound, and why not to give another chance to Sony for a modern product. And just a matter of fact, maybe I will come up with an update with the result, or maybe with a review if they hold. Of course, if they hold fine, or if it work with the repair. This one also needs some holes. Fire in the hole, fire in the hole. Alright, and this one, as you can see, it started, but yeah, it's just a matter of time. Pew! Pew, pew, pew! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, what the fuck? It cracked in my hand right here. Oh my god. I'm stupid. Do the job with 2 hands, mister. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's not good. No, that's not good. Alright. Let's see. Mister. Alright. This is impossible with no tripod. Whatever. And yep, that's it. Maybe some glue will help this crack here. Oh no, because it is on anyways. Yeah, repeat the process basically, and after this will be the end result.